Yo, 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 yo. What's happening, my people? So another sneaker unboxing. Happy to bring this to y'all. Got this in this morning. I ordered this the beginning of the week, I guess. I was just thinking about what old shoes that I wanted and came across these. I'm going to wait, tell you the rest of the story after you see what they are. Let me pull them out. It's my first time seeing them. It shall be a surprise. Hopefully, they're in good condition. We shall see. See if they are what I paid for. I paid $40 for these, man. So, saying for me to say, hopefully I got what I paid for, there's not too much high expectations. But they look very well for a $40 pair. They look almost brand new from the pictures. But here this is. I don't know if it's focusing. We'll try to give you a little extra time to peep that out. So what this is, LeBron 11 EXT Suede QS. Retail price was $200 on these. LeBron's used to go for $200 and up earlier on. Like, I wasn't getting LeBron's at that time. But the LeBron 11s. So why did I want these shoes? I don't know, man. It's just, I was thinking of like the new LeBrons. They not out yet and stuff, and I already got a few 15s. And I was like, man, what LeBrons? What are my favorite LeBrons? And I was like, the LeBron 11s. And then I think about it. I have one pair of LeBron 11s, and I have the Kings colorway. And I don't never wear them because they for sentimental reasons. But I've had like 5 LeBron 11s. I had the Terracotta Warriors, the Miami Knights, the Weather, and the Denims. And I sold all of those. And I'm like, damn, I need another pair. So I seen these for $40, man. They was going for $30, and I just threw a bid out there. Nobody else bid it. So I wound up getting these. The all suede joints, like they have a lot of shoes come through lately, like with the all suede, with the Jordan 12s. I think they had some fives with the suede, the blue suede colorway and stuff. They had a bunch of J's just coming through with the suede. I think the Jetas. The Jeta 11s, they pretty much are a blue suede colorway. And like, I just want some more LeBron 11s. And something that I might actually wear. I love suede. I love suede because they had other LeBron 11s that were going for a cheap price that I could have caught, but I was just like, I see these for a nice price, and it's just suede. Anyway, let me show you a little of the shoe, because I'm pretty sure you've seen these already, or they have many reviews on these, because they're an old shoe. But it's LeBron 11 blue suede, and the suede look like it has held up over the years. Whoever had these had took care of them. Probably didn't wear them too much. Smile, they cleaned them up a little bit before they shipped them. I ain't mad at them. They got the aglets and stuff on the lace tips. I like that touch. And it pretty much is just LeBron 11 and just suede all the way around. They have a lot of like the designs, like the indented stuff. They have like a Nike sign up in there and stuff. On the regular LeBron 11s, like this right here is like fiber-esque stuff in the upper. It's kind of like a nylon-ish, so like it switches up a little bit. Should I grab pair? I guess I. So this is what I'm talking about. Like the regular LeBron 11, LeBron 11 like had a carbon fiber-ish, like plastic type thing, and like the rest of the upper, like this is a like nylon-ish stuff all the way around, etc. But this one right here is just everything is all suede. Like it doesn't switch up in any area. It's all suede. It's nothing like super hard or different material. It's just everything pretty much. So it's a different design. So it's the QS, and this regular. But this a shoe, like sentimental reasons. I paid $216 for these. Like I bought these retail in the mall. Like I just got off work. I was working somewhere at the time, and I had got 3 pairs of shoes that day. And I bought 2 pairs before, and I didn't want to spend $200 on these. The girl at the register, she was like, "I'll give you my store discount if you." I was like, "For real?" So I went to the ATM, and I went check my card, and I had way more than enough. So I went back, and she was lying. She was like, "Nah, I can't do that. I can't do that." I was like, "Damn!" So I already had them at the register and stuff, so I just bought them. So I paid $216 for these. And you know the bad thing, because I'm telling you that I paid $40 for these. I see these online for like the same price. Like I see these online for like $40, $50, and I'm like, I paid $216 for these. Like, but I'm happy with it. That's why I'm never gonna get rid of them, because I'm like, I'm not gonna sell these for like $50 and take a $150 loss or $160, $70 loss. Nah, I'm good. I'll just keep these. And this kind of started off my collection, because I really wasn't buying any $200 shoes before I copped these. But you see the details in this, and nothing too special. This right here, like this Nike sign, that's the only differentiation in the upper. Like this is the only thing that is not suede on the upper. Got the bottom. See, the bottom is nothing too special, and they got a little hint of carbon like more towards the inner, but it does stretch out to the outer, but just a little bit. This isn't something that you probably interested in or whatever, but it's just like a nostalgia pickup for me, and I just want a different colorway shoe. I don't have too much blue. Like I'll have blue shoes, and then I'll keep them for a little bit. I'll get rid of them, or I got some white and blue, different ones. But like this all blue, this is the only colorway I have of shoe like this. So I'm gonna try to see what I can kind of ideas, like outfit ideas I can throw together with this, and do a few on foot looks. So sorry for the video being so long, but just all my rant stuff, giving you a little history lesson in about my thoughts, but show you a few looks. Hope that you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated. Peace out.